I go, let me learn more about it and let me try your water. And so I started using Kangen water and I started drinking it, and it was more of a personal thing where I was using it certainly before I started using it on any patients. I've been 45 years now a diabetic. And so I've got a lot of constant superoxide radicals being formed all the time in an inflammatory phase because of my diabetes. And so I went from drinking it to really studying it. And so here I am. I'm one of the older guys on the fire department. I come in one of the better scores in terms of being in shape. The thing that's changed with me is that I've been drinking the water solidly. Kangen water ought to be in every house, every family, every fire department. You know, it should be in the military. It should be all over because it hydrates you so much better. Hydration is a big problem among pets today. I think it's probably one of the problems that we see is it's almost just like if the people have the problems, the pet have the problems. And so we see a lot of pets that would probably benefit and will drink more water when they have that water that actually tastes really good. You know, a dog has 40,000 times the ability to smell than we do. 40,000 times. So they smell water, they smell the chlorine in the water in the tap water, for example. They go, do I really want to drink that water? Not, and really, I'm really, really thirsty. And then, of course, when they look at the Kangen water, it has no chlorine and smell like that, and it goes down and they don't get a bloated feeling like that, they'll go ahead and drink the water more, and they'll become more hydrated. And these pets prefer the water over regular water. Try it. Put the water down, and just kind of let them drink. Find out which ones they drink. You know, it's just that they're telling you that they're drinking the water, and there must be something about it. As a trauma surgeon, that's the bottom line. Get the Kangen water. Give it a try. I want to pull out something I know is non-toxic, very important. Non-toxic, there's no side effects. You can put pretty much any drug you want, and there's side effects to the drug. Well, it just so happens that in this particular place, we're talking about water, for hydration. If they can hydrate themselves with something that's an alkaline environment, we have better mobility. We see a lot of patients as they get older, they're not quite as mobile. And your patients are going to tell you, you're feeling better. The owners are going to be ecstatic about how well their animals are doing. It's like Grace, who's got the 21-year-old cat. And she's just, I saw her the other night, she's just so happy. She ran to me and gave me a hug and says, and Milton's doing so good. He's like a 10-year-old. Now, of course, that's what it's all about. Pet owners, we know that if you can have them be healthy, that's what you want. And now you have a way of being able to produce an animal that's going to be more happy. Wags their tail even more. You know, they've got such this atmosphere of love behind them. And if you can keep that going as many years as possible, and then think of longevity. This is from the very smallest puppy all the way on up to the animals that, of course, are small, are getting older. And as that occurs, as that happens, you will notice that you're going to get them to be healthier, living longer, being happier, having less pain, being, again, hydrated. And I think that that's the bottom line, is you want them to be just as healthy as you can have them. And this is why the Kangen water will help you keep them that way. Your pets want you to try the water. They could speak, that they'd say, try the water. I'm telling you, as a professional veterinarian, they're more healthy, they're more energy, they're vibrant, and try the water. And that's the bottom line. Get the Kangen water. Give it a try.